Hi everyone. Welcome to this video on mastering the art of negotiation and unlocking the secrets of psychological influence. Negotiation is an essential skill that can help you achieve your goals and objectives, whether you are negotiating a salary raise, a business deal, or even a personal relationship. But negotiation can be a tricky game, and it requires a deep understanding of human psychology and behavior. So, in this video, we will be sharing with you some of the best techniques and strategies for mastering the art of negotiation and unlocking the secrets of psychological influence. Preparation is critical to success in any negotiation. Before entering the negotiation, you should research the other party and understand their interests, motivations, and priorities. You should also identify your own strengths and weaknesses and develop a clear understanding of your goals and objectives for the negotiation. This will help you develop a negotiation strategy that is tailored to the specific situation and increase your chances of achieving your desired outcome. Good preparation can also help you anticipate potential objections or obstacles that may arise during the negotiation and be better equipped to address them. Communication is an essential component of successful negotiation. You should aim to communicate your position clearly and effectively, using language that is easy to understand and free of jargon or technical terms that may confuse the other party. You should also be an active listener, paying attention to the other party's words and non-verbal cues to gain a better understanding of their perspective. Additionally, body language is an important aspect of communication in negotiation, and you should use it to convey confidence and authority. Successful negotiators understand the psychology of influence and use it to their advantage. Social proof, for example, involves demonstrating that others have already agreed to your proposal, which can create a sense of consensus and influence the other party to follow suit. Reciprocity involves offering something in exchange for something else, which can create a sense of obligation and influence the other party to reciprocate. Scarcity involves highlighting the limited availability of something, which can create a sense of urgency and influence the other party to act quickly. By understanding these and other psychological principles, you can craft a negotiation strategy that is more likely to succeed. Staying calm and composed, negotiation can be a stressful and emotionally charged experience, but it's important to remain calm and composed throughout the process. One technique for doing this is to practice mindfulness and deep breathing exercises, which can help you stay grounded and focused. Additionally, it's important to stay present in the moment and avoid getting distracted by past or future concerns. By remaining calm and focused, you can make clear, rational decisions that are more likely to lead to a successful negotiation outcome. Overall, mastering the art of negotiation requires a combination of preparation, communication skills, an understanding of psychological influence, and emotional control. By developing these skills and strategies, you can become a more effective negotiator and achieve better outcomes in all areas of your life. Thank you for watching this video on mastering the art of negotiation and unlocking the secrets of psychological influence. We hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.